Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make authentic Goan crab Xacuti. First, ensure your crab is fresh and properly cleaned. About 1.5 kilograms is ideal. Next, you'll need to prepare the distinctive Xacuti spice paste. This involves roasting coconut and a variety of dried red chilies, along with other whole spices. Finally, have your aromatics like ginger, garlic, and onions finely chopped and ready to go. These initial steps are crucial for building the rich flavor profile. The heart of Goan crab Xacuti lies in its aromatic spice paste. Begin by roasting about 1 cup of grated coconut on a low flame until it turns a beautiful golden brown, releasing its fragrant oils. Separately, dry roast whole spices such as coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and black peppercorns until they are fragrant. Once cooled, combine these roasted spices with the coconut, fresh ginger, garlic, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Grind everything into a smooth, thick paste, adding a little water if needed. Now let's bring it all together. In a large pot, heat a few tablespoons of oil and sauté your finely sliced onions until they become translucent and slightly caramelized. This adds a subtle sweetness to the curry. Next, add the freshly ground Xacuti spice paste to the pot and cook it for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly, allowing the flavors to meld. Finally, add the cleaned crab pieces, a little water, and simmer gently until the crab is perfectly cooked and the curry has thickened to your desired consistency. To finish your exquisite Goan crab Xacuti, a sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves adds a vibrant touch and enhances the aroma. Serve this rich, flavorful curry hot with fluffy steamed rice or traditional Goan bread to truly savor its authentic taste. It's a dish that transports you straight to the beaches of Goa. For those who love to cook and store, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. They're perfect for keeping your culinary creations fresh and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.